Bitboy. Shocking! This was just reported about XRP Ripple. XRP News Today. Xrp Price Prediction. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss what Bitboy said about XRP and its price prediction. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment a secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Learning about cryptocurrencies can be daunting, especially considering that these new coins technology can be a little complex. For your regular mom and pop investor, investing in cryptocurrencies sounds incredibly arcane, abstract, and complex. That's why crypto gurus have become popular over the past few years. Why crypto investing isn't necessarily that hard nowadays, having someone who can explain it helps bring non-crypto enthusiasts into the fold. Whether it's specific crypto trading strategies or general analysis and commentary on the crypto market, there's a growing demand for independent voices in this market. One of the most prominent online crypto personalities is a person called Bitboy Crypto. Here's the lowdown on this specific blockchain expert and whether you should listen to what he has to say. Who is Bitboy Crypto? Bitboy Crypto's real name is Ben Armstrong. He's a cryptocurrency content creator and a blockchain enthusiast. Like most experts, he's been around in the industry for a while. He first invested in Bitcoin back in 2012. After losing his Bitcoin in an infamous crypto exchange hack, Armstrong wasn't fazed by the setback and continued learning about the crypto world. In 2018, Armstrong ended up becoming a crypto analyst and commentator full-time. Since then, he has become one of the largest crypto social media personalities. His Bitboy Crypto YouTube channel currently has over 696,000 subscribers, making it one of the largest crypto channels. In comparison, Coin Bureau is another respected crypto analyst with 571,000 subscribers. While his net worth is mainly unknown, considering his successful business and social media presence, it wouldn't be surprising if he had a substantial net worth. However, no one knows for sure. In addition to shorter solo videos, Bitboy features hour-long videos where he includes commentary and guests. In addition to YouTube, Bitboy also has a prominent Twitter and Discord account. He has a private email list that you can sign up for to receive exclusive content. Bitboy Crypto's Bitcoin Prediction. During one of his recent shows, Bitboy featured a guest speaker on future cryptocurrency prices. Both figures agreed that while a reversal should be expected sooner or later among mainstream tokens, we still have some time, probably years, of gains before this happens. In terms of Bitcoin expressly, the two agreed that the flagship cryptocurrency could reach as high as $400,000 by the end of this bull cycle. That's similar to other predictions as well. Another famous crypto personality, Anthony Pompliano, predicted that Bitcoin could hit $500,000 by the end of the decade. Should you trust Bitboy Crypto? As one of the most prominent crypto YouTubers and social media personalities, there's a reason why so many people subscribe to his content. For the most part, Bitboy Crypto deserves its popularity. His range and analysis are insightful. One thing that most crypto gurus should watch out for is how they make money. Some try to monetize their social media operations to get people to buy expensive courses, usually on trading cryptocurrencies. While that isn't to say that all courses are bad, sometimes they are just an attempt to make a quick buck at the audience's expense. To Bitboy Crypto's credit, he doesn't do that. He sells various merchandise with his logo on his websites, like t-shirts and coffee mugs. Bitboy also makes affiliated commissions on various crypto-related goods and services, like e-wallets, crypto exchanges, and trading tools. He also offers discounts if you use his affiliate code. Overall, Bitboy Crypto is a trustworthy face in the crypto community. He offers an excellent bird's-eye view into what's happening in the world of cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, XRP, for many years after its creation, the coin price was so insignificant that it was almost worthless. Until 2017, the asset's value fluctuated around a cent. But this changed shortly after the token began to receive broader coverage. It also took advantage of the bullish growth of the crypto industry that year. By April 2017, XRP had risen to 5 cents. The gradual increase soon continued, reaching 25 cents in May. After that, the asset had reached the point of no return as it attracted the attention of crypto enthusiasts, who saw the value and potential of the XRP coin. The asset's value grew throughout 2017 and until the beginning of 2018 when it reached a record level of $3.84. But this was soon followed by a sharp drop in value, which affected all other cryptocurrencies. By the end of 2019, the price of XRP stabilized at 30 cents and did not exceed the 50-cent mark throughout the year. However, the bullish growth of 2020, which began by the end of the year, helped the XRP currency exchange rate rise. The value of the token reached 80 cents before the end of the year. The beginning of 2021 was supposed to be a continuation of the growth in the value of XRP, but this could not happen due to the SEC's announcement of a lawsuit. After the announcement, some exchanges excluded XRP from their platforms. Many of those who held the coin also sold it in a panic. This led to the fact that the price of XRP started to decline steadily to 0.166. However, XRP rose again to 0.755. Currently, Ripple is trading from 40 cents to 50 cents. Looking at this review, we can see the high volatility of XRP over the past few months, which makes it challenging to make a Ripple forecast. But volatility does not prevent analysts from making XRP forecasts based on trends. This only means that these forecasts can change at the slightest real news in the market. However, they still give a rough estimate of what to expect from the Ripple rate. Will Ripple XRP price rise again? Apart from the influence of general crypto market trends on the price of XRP, there are 7 categories of factors that are potentially important for the Ripple exchange rate: the interest of global financial institutions, speculative events on the cryptocurrency market, including regional ones, informational reasons related to the development of technologies, news of competing cryptocurrencies and financial services, actions of financial regulators, lawsuits against Ripple Labs, Inc., and the course of their consideration, potential price manipulations of the company itself. In the past, the popularity of XRP and, as a result, the growth of its value largely depended on partnerships with these traditional institutions. Forming more partnerships will result in more profound acceptance by society, which invariably means higher value. However, everything is not so simple for XRP. The SEC's lawsuit further complicates the situation. Before the SEC filed the case, the XRP projections had been optimistic, even if they did not inspire optimism. But the lawsuit interrupts the breakthrough and makes Ripple's price prediction trajectory more complicated and enables Ripple to take the profit at a time when the crypto market was growing rapidly. Given how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately due to the extremely high volatility on the crypto market, it is even more so for XRP. After the trial, more and more traders are showing a bearish attitude towards the XRP currency, raising fears that it may fall below 10 cents. However, the increase in price from retail investors and traders allowed it to rise again. If XRP experiences a real breakthrough in 2021, it could reach its historical maximum of more than $3. But this looks unlikely while the SEC lawsuit is hanging over its head. Xrp Price Prediction 2021. According to the forecast price and technical analysis of Xrp in 2021, it is expected that the price will not cross the average price level of $1.35. The expected minimum value of the Xrp price by the end of the year should be $1.30. Moreover, Xrp may reach the maximum price level of $1.42. October 2021, minimum price $1.06, average price $1.12, maximum price $1.18. November 2021, minimum price $1.24, average price $1.28, maximum price $1.33. And December 2021, minimum price $1.30, average price $1.35, and maximum price $1.42. Xrp Price Prediction November 2021. The forecast of the Xrp exchange rate for November 2021, $1.27236 at the beginning and $1.37736 at the end of the month. The Xrp exchange rate for November will be $1.32. The maximum price is expected to be $1.72171 per coin. The minimum will be $1.17076. Throughout November 2021, the Xrp price will grow by 13 cents or 26.92%. Xrp price prediction at the end of 2021 and in December 2021. The forecast of the Xrp rate for December 2021, $1.383 at the beginning and $1.383 at the end of the month. For December, the Ripple digital coin rate will be $1.40. The maximum cost is expected to be $1.73 per coin, and minimum will be $1.180. The Xrp rate for December 2021 will grow by 8 cents, or plus 27.43%. According to the analyst, the Ripple Payment Network native token XRP looks the readiest for growth and updating the historical maximum. In the event of another impulse, the XRP's price may reach the level of $2.80, an increase of 100% from current levels, and then exceed $4.30, a rise of 244% from current levels, says Van de Poppy. On September 5th, XRP was trading at $1.25. Over the past month, the cryptocurrency has grown by 127%. Xrp Price Prediction 2022. Ripple price has gained support from some of the investment biggies, and the number of partnerships and events with crypto companies show that many believe in the currency. The recent XRP price predictions and its price movement might mark a tremendous improvement by the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH, and cross its previous all-time high price of $3.84. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then.